Looking to showcase your positive customer reviews and boost your website's credibility? Look no further than the Widgets for Google Reviews plugin for WordPress. This user-friendly plugin empowers you to effortlessly display your Google reviews on your website in just 2 minutes, leveraging the power of social proof to build trust and drive conversions. At DWB.ae, a leading Dubai web design company, we know that your online reputation is everything. Potential clients often turn to Google reviews to assess the quality of your services and make informed decisions. That's why integrating your Google reviews into your website is such a game changer. And if you're enjoying our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips and tools for optimizing your website, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights. Let's get started. Looking to showcase your positive customer reviews and boost your website's credibility? Look no further than the Widgets for Google Reviews plugin for WordPress. This user-friendly plugin empowers you to effortlessly display your Google reviews on your website in just 2 minutes, leveraging the power of social proof to build trust and drive conversions. As a Dubai web design (DWB) company, your online reputation is everything. Potential clients often turn to Google reviews to gauge the quality of your services and make informed decisions. Widgets for Google Reviews is a powerful WordPress plugin designed to help you showcase your positive customer feedback directly on your website. By displaying your Google reviews in an attractive and visually appealing manner, you can significantly boost your credibility, build trust with potential clients, and drive more business. Why display Google reviews on your website? In today's digital age, customer reviews hold immense weight. Potential customers often rely on online reviews to make informed purchasing decisions. Without positive reviews, your business might struggle to gain traction and establish trust with new visitors. Here's how displaying Google reviews on your website benefits your business. Build trust and credibility. Positive reviews from satisfied customers act as social proof, validating your brand's reputation and trustworthiness. This can significantly influence potential customers who are considering your products or services. Boost conversions. Studies reveal that customer reviews can significantly increase conversion rates. By showcasing positive feedback, you can alleviate potential customer concerns and encourage them to take the next step, whether it's making a purchase, subscribing to a service, or contacting you for more information. Enhance SEO. Google reviews are a known ranking factor in search engine algorithms. Displaying reviews on your website can contribute to improved search engine ranking, making your business more visible to potential customers searching for relevant keywords. Introducing Widgets for Google Reviews. The Widgets for Google Reviews plugin simplifies the process of integrating your Google reviews into your WordPress website. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to leverage this powerful tool. The process in simple steps. Connect your Google My Business profile. Click the Connect Google button and follow the instructions to link your Google profile to the platform. Choose a layout and style. Select the design that best suits your website's look and feel. Customize your widget. Configure additional settings as needed. Insert the code. Copy the generated code and paste it into the Posts Pages widgets of your website. Step 1. Installation and activation. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Search for Widgets for Google Reviews in the search bar. Locate the plugin by trustindex.io and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin on your website. Step 2. Plugin configuration. On your WordPress dashboard, locate the trustindex.io menu item on the left-hand side panel. Click on it to access the plugin settings. This page is designed to help you connect your Google My Business profile to the platform you're using, which in this case appears to be a service that allows you to display your Google reviews on your website. By connecting your Google My Business profile, the platform can automatically fetch your latest reviews and display them in a visually appealing way on your website. Breaking down the page, Connect Google. This is the main button that initiates the connection process between your Google My Business profile and the platform. Step 3. Choose your widget template. The plugin offers a variety of pre-designed widget templates to display your Google reviews. These templates come in various styles and layouts, allowing you to select the one that best complements your website's design and branding. Carefully review the available templates and choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 4. Customize your widget style. Once you've selected a template, you can further customize its appearance using the plugin's style options. These options may include color scheme. Choose colors that align with your website's branding. Step 5. Configure widget settings. Widget preview. This section shows you a live preview of how your widget will look based on the settings you've selected. You can see examples of how the reviews will be displayed, including the layout, font, and amount of information shown. Widget settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your widget. Filter your ratings. You can choose to show all reviews or filter them based on their star rating. For example, you might want to only show reviews with 4 or 5 stars. Select language. If you have reviews in multiple languages, you can choose which language to display. Select date format. This allows you to choose how the dates of the reviews are displayed. Align. You can choose whether the text in the widget is aligned to the left or right. Review text. You can customize the text that appears on the button that allows users to read the full review. The right checkboxes likely refer to the options within the widget settings section of the image. These checkboxes allow you to filter the reviews that are displayed in your widget. For example, you might see checkboxes like Hide reviews without comments. This will only display reviews that include written comments from customers, not just star ratings. Hide reviews with low ratings. You can choose to hide reviews with a certain star rating or below. This allows you to showcase only the most positive feedback. Show review photos. This option allows you to display photos that customers have included with their reviews. Show review author photos. This option displays the profile pictures of the reviewers if available. Enable review form. This option may allow you to include a form on your website where visitors can leave new reviews for your business. Show platform stars logos. This option allows you to display the platform's star rating system or logo along with the reviews. By selecting or deselecting these checkboxes, you can customize the display of your Google reviews to meet your specific needs and preferences. Step 6. Generate and use the shortcode. Once you've completed the configuration process, the plugin will generate a unique shortcode for your customized widget. Copy the shortcode. Navigate to the WordPress page or post where you want to display the Google Reviews widget. Paste the copied shortcode into the desired location within your content editor. Publish or update the page post to make the Google Reviews. Thank you for watching. By now, you've seen how the Widgets for Google Reviews plugin can transform your WordPress website by showcasing your positive customer feedback in just a few simple steps. Remember, building trust with potential clients is key to growing your business, and social proof is one of the most effective ways to do that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tips and tools for web design and digital growth. At DWB, we're here to help you elevate your online presence. If you have any questions or need assistance with your website, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep growing.